Let's look at what are keywords in KDP. Keywords are very, very important as you're doing this in KDP. A keyword is a word or a phrase that people type into the search bar when they are looking for a book. For example, let's say you're looking for a book about weight loss. Someone will look for weight loss for women, another one weight loss for men, another one fitness journal. So all these things which we are typing in the search bar, they are the ones which are known as keywords. And keywords help Amazon to understand what your book is about, and and also determine which search results your book will appear in. It helps them to recommend your book. So keywords, or including the relevant keywords when you're publishing, it helps you to get discovered by potential readers or consumers. It also helps you to appear in relevant searches. Let's say, for example, you've written a book on let's say weight loss for women above 30, and then in your keyword you put keywords like meditation, gratitude, so your book will not be in the relevant searches. So ensure your keywords are matching. We shall see these. And also, having the right keywords help you to reach your target audience. Now, where do you add your keywords in KDP? So now, after you've created your book, when you're uploading it now, you will see a section known as keyword. We are going to do this practically. And so, in this section, you've been told to put up to 7 keywords. Let's say, take an example. Let's say you're publishing a gratitude journal for teenagers. So these are some of the keywords which you can use: gratitude journal for teens, teen girl journal, self-care for teens, daily gratitude prompts, teen mindfulness book, positive thinking journal, journal for teen mental health. So when you put this in that section of the keywords, your book is likely or will be recommended in the correct searches. So for people who will be looking for gratitude journals for teenagers, and maybe they have not typed directly gratitude journal for teens, maybe someone has typed like teen girl journal or self-care for teens, then your book is going to appear in those searches. So here are some pro tips for choosing the good keywords. Think like your buyer. Let's say, for example, you've created that journal for teens, gratitude journal for teens. If you are a buyer and you are looking for a gratitude journal for your teenager, what would you type on the search bar? Also, you can use keyword tools like Amazon Autocomplete, Publisher Rocket, or other tools which I had explained in lesson 5. Also, be specific, like you can say self-help for women, self-help for men, self-help for teenagers, instead of going general. Also, avoid repeating your title or the name, because Amazon already knows that info. Yes, so there is no need of repeating them in the keywords. Then you can also use long tail keywords like which have phrases of 3+ words. Like, for example, journal for teen mental health, you can see that has 5 phrases. These are some of the free keyword research tools which you can use. I won't explain them because we had looked at them in lesson 5. Amazon search bar, Amazon bestsellers pages, Google Trends, and all the others which I have listed for you there. We also have paid tools like Publisher Rocket, Helium 10, BookBolt, and all these. So don't just be random. That is what I always say. Just know, yes, I have created let's say like a composition notebook. What are my keywords? Let's say I have created an ebook about a maybe recipe book. What are the relevant keywords? What will be buyers looking for, so that my book can appear to them, can be recommended unto them? So think like the buyer. What will they be looking for? Okay, so